it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a two-in-one face and body cream? This one by Yobee has done a wonderful job of restoring moisture to my skin, even though I live in the desert. One thing I noticed is the longer I use it, the better my skin barrier is. Normally at night when I wash off my makeup, my skin gets red and irritated, but here you can see how happy my skin is, like it's complimenting me and how glowy it looks. Another thing is that I like using this on my hands. It absorbs into my skin very quickly. Really, only a little bit is needed, and I do tend to overdo everything, so I put too much on, but it does worlds of good for my calluses, and it really helps my feet as well as my hands. This is just the perfect thing if you're looking for really good ingredients. I even use this on my kids. This will last me a very long time. Some of the ingredients are my favorite, like the probiotic extract, honey, turmeric, vitamin B12 and E, and ceramides, and shea butter. So this is a wonderful addition if you want to put it on before your makeup and helps me get that glow that I'm really desiring. And it comes so beautifully packaged. So if you wanted to give it as a gift, this is so loving.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.